Hey, this is Heyoko. Welcome to my channel, The Voice of Reason. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. We're going to get into a general energy read for Taurus. All right. Energy of Taurus, Spirit. Still dating, keeping options open. Somebody is dating around. Energy around Taurus. This person no longer has a high off of still dating. Energy of Taurus. Because somebody is stunting on them, shitting on them. Or somebody's tried to stunt on somebody. Energy around Taurus. Somebody about to see some bullshit. Energy around Taurus. Somebody can't put themselves back together. Energy around Taurus. There's some hot drama. Hold on, this shit is good. Energy around Taurus. Somebody didn't predict this shit would happen. Energy around Taurus. Let's see. Because their emotions is all over the place. Let's see. Somebody is venting, talking a lot about a person. Energy around Taurus. They no longer want to be a Karen bitch. Or somebody they trying to make it seem like it's a Karen. Energy around Taurus. Somebody said y'all figure it out. Energy around Taurus. There's obsessed third-party interference. This is why this person is in drama. All-seeing eye. I see everything, bitch. Because somebody is doing the most. Somebody is trying to keep something private. Energy around Taurus. Somebody can't dodge a person. Energy around Taurus.